Hello, this is Mary for Stampin' Camp with Mary, Mary's Stamping Happenings, and today is There's a Card Thursday. I want to show you, we did this technique using the Shimmer Paint, and I wanted to show you how to make a card with this. This is just a quick and easy card. If I wanted to step it up a little, I would probably have put an embossing folder in the back, maybe put some other little embellishments on, maybe a ribbon or two, and done that. But this is just a quick, simple card. What you're going to need is we are going to use the Ornate style and the these are all new. Oh, these are new stamp sets for me, so I can't say off. Oh, the lovely You stamp set. And I can't say it off the top of my head. Let's bring this up. So we're using the Ornate style and the Lovely You stamp set. We are using some Bermuda Bay re-inker, along with this is Pool Party re-inker in here. We are using Memento Black. We are using an 8.5 by 5.5 piece of Bermuda Bay. We are using 3 1/4 by 2 3/4 Gorgeous Grape, 3 by 2.5 Whisper White, and then we're using a piece of Whisper White that I've already spritzed, and I just cut out using the Timeless Label Punch. So we're using the Timeless Label Punch. We are using shimmering paint, Shimmer Paint, Frost White, and of course we are using our glue dots and our Stampin Dimensionals. Where are you? There you are. Okay, that should be about it. So the first thing I did was I just went and you all know how to do the Shimmer Paint with alcohol in your spritzer, and Shimmer Paint, alcohol, and re-inker. And this is Pool Party, and you just spray it, let it dry, and then you can punch it out. And it just gives you, since it's Pool Party, it gives you a light little blue tinge. Oh, and we're also using no, that's not for this one. Okay. And for this one, what I did was I mixed a little bit of shimmer paint along with Bermuda Bay re-inker on a piece of plastic. I just used a block. And I am just going to, this just doesn't look right. And I am doing almost a watercolor wash. I don't know if you can see how it shimmers. It's just beautiful in person, but you got to try it. So, and then I'm going to set that aside to dry. And why I'm doing this, one thing you have to know, if you're using your aqua painter or your water painters or whatever you call them now, make sure you clean them in water really well so they don't, the shimmer paint is really thick and it will clog your aqua painters. So you want to just make sure you clean those off. Okay? And then what I am going to do, I've already got this one dried. I am just going to take my, as I said before, just because from the Lovely You and my basic Memento Black, just going to cook that on. Then I'm taking the Daisy And I'm just stamping that on there. You can see it hasn't dried. I probably should have waited a little bit longer to make sure it dried, and then I'm just going to attach this on the gorgeous grape. Then I'm going to attach that onto the Bermuda Bay. And take a few Stampin Dimensionals. There you go. Hope you can see. Ah, there it goes. There, you see the shimmer. So remember to follow me on YouTube. Everything you need is down below, and I really would appreciate if you'd help this small business and order from me. So thanks for visiting, and happy stamping. Bye-bye.